The zCM1000 cutting blade replacement tutorial. Safety note: be careful when removing and installing blades. Old blades can still be sharp enough to cause injury. Unplug and remove the cut head assembly. Using a Phillips screwdriver, apply a firm amount of pressure and remove the two screws holding the blade spring. Remove the blade spring and set aside. Carefully remove the upper blade and set aside. Carefully remove the bottom blade and set aside. Next, remove both left and right cutter liners. Prepare your new parts for installation. First, install both left and right cutter liners. Apply a small amount of silicone oil to both cutter liners. Install the lower blade first with a half circle cutout on the bottom left side. Second, install the upper blade with a half circle mark on the right side. Reinstall the blade spring and securely tighten the two Phillips screws. Reinstall your cut head and check for proper operation. For more videos by Star International, be sure to check out our YouTube page.